Umqeqeshi weqela lesizwe uMalibonga Maketa kwiqakamba lamakhwenkwe aneshumi elinethoba obudala ufezekise iphupha lakhe kunye nelabantwana bakwilokishi yase eGqeberha ekubeni kudala inkqonkqoza efuna ukwenzela abantwana indawo yokuzilolonga kunye neyokudlala iqakamba. Kwiphulo lakhe uye wafumana inkxaso kwabaka-PPC Cement, Christine Motors kunye neBoardwalk Mall. Nethe lo nkxaso-mali yakhokelela ekwakheleni lomqeqeshi neqela lakhe elisakhulayo indawo yokuzilolonga. Lo mqeqeshi uthi baziva benemincili kwaye bachulumancile.
It's my baby, but it's a community baby. It's been going on for a very long time, and we're really proud to finally have such a product, especially for our young up-and-coming cricketers up at Walmer Township. It's a blessing to be able to see it all the way through, and it could not have happened with a lot of people coming on board and really assisting us to be where we are today. And I'm hoping and praying that the community is going to appreciate and use them to their fullest,
Omnye umdlali osakhulayo lisakhanya Makinana oneminyaka eli-17 uthi bona bengabadlali bayabulela kwaye bayavuya.
Ziva sonwabile kakhulu, and it's like I appreciate Lenda yenzileyo kakhulu because like it's been years, and like cricket besidlala siqale from a primary. Now a primary into once ufike high school because in high school azikho sports. So now siyasa build lento up, and we appreciate it kakhulu because sizobona ba nathi sina potential that ba singaya kwezinye indawo and experience our potential, our talent that we can do cricket and sayikwazi lento.
Umqeqeshi weqela abantwana abancinci umazizigwendu welke ngelithi ubulela abaxhasi kwaye abantwana baza kufunda lokhulu.
For pleasure that he sponsors that they made us for a warmer cricket and for the development of the children. There will be a good exposure for children to learn more of cricket. We all know that we come from disadvantaged areas, so for this kind of nets that we have there, it's going to be taking us to the level where we can produce more stars for Proteas, for Warriors, and for the EP representative as we come from Walmer. So for me as a coach, I think I'm very happy within the facilities that they came through Boardwalk and PPC and Kelso for bringing us up to do this kind of exposure for us. Thanks.
Ekwaleka ukuba kumele basebenzisane kunye nabazali ukuze bakwazi ukugcina le ndawo yokuzilolonga isezingeni.
The plans are simple, is to get the parents involved. Once the parents know what it's for and their kids are there, what they are benefiting on, then I'm hoping the sense of pride from the community to keep it together, because they would see their kids growing not only in sport, hopefully as people as well, and in that way they would look after it.
Lendawo yokuzilolonga isezingeni eliphezulu kwaye umnqweno kunye nenzondelelo kukuphuhlisa abantwana kwezemidlalo apha eMpuma Kapa. Kwiindaba ze MPK TV, Lingelethu Gcwabe eWalmer.